My name is Acadia Lee, and I am so honored to be standing here today to receive the blue ribbon for the elementary school art show organized by the Bonaparte School District. I would like to thank the Bonaparte School District for allowing me to compete in this fun event. I never thought I would win just such an honor, let alone competing with so many great artists. Practice makes perfect. This award was a product of the hard work and effort that I put in before competing in this art show. I practiced a lot. This award is possible because of my mom, who is there to guide me, support me, and help me. I would like to thank my mom and dad for always being there to encourage me when I am about to give up. And to anyone in my life who made this possible. Let me end by sharing this quote. Practice makes perfect. You must practice in order to see the results of your hard work. Thank you all again.